Warning, this show features stunts performed by professionals or really good dudes. Humecula insists that no one attempt any activity performed on this show.
Oh! Oh, God. No, Greg. No, I actually want to see you hit the 75 at Lincoln's.
Yeah, you guys should support the Patreon and shit and fucking GoFundMe for when I break my ankles on Lincoln's ramp this Sunday. It's going to be sweet. I'm stoked to hit it. I've been trying to ride ramps more, so
That's a hot
I don't know.
year. Alright, welcome back to another video. This video is sponsored by Canada CBD. Reason being is because they are sponsoring this video for Craig. Use Good Dudes code and you get 20% off. We're gonna give him 100% of our commission to Craig for this video. So if you guys have like a nicotine problem, this is the best alternative for nicotine. Also at the end of this video, you guys can pre-order t-shirts for Cozy Craig. We have the mock-up at the end of the video. Link will be in the description on that. We're gonna give 100% profit to Craig just to help him out with his bills and everything. Like he's going through some shit. We gotta help him out. He's our boy. We talk shit to him, but he is a good ass dude. At the end of the video, link in the description, go get yourself some Cozy Craig merch. Love you guys, enjoy the video.
Everybody's. Oh no, Mike.
What are you gonna say?
I was gonna say everybody's jonesing over Ryan Williams' girlfriend.
I mean, she's super hot.
She's the hottest.
Yeah, good shit, Ryan.
Yeah. Also, there's no AC in Craig's truck.
Really?
So we have to ride
No,
in
there
our
is.
shirts.
You gonna hit the 75 footer today?
Wait,
Yeah,
listen to
hold
what
on.
Craig's truck says when he plugs his
Every
phone
time I plug my phone in, it should say it.
Shane's a little bitch.
Pussy, yeah, I'm hitting it. I'm hitting it today.
Yeah.
Done 50, done 50, did 55, so, or it was 55. So I think I'll be all right. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But the GoFundMe will be in the link in the description. If anything does go bad, you guys know where to go. Yeah, you guys can help me out. So.
Holy fuck. I don't think you're gonna hit it. I think you're just goofy capping.
Not worth
You don't think I'm
it.
gonna hit it?
I think you're goofy capped.
Dude, I literally went out and drove you guys around all fucking night, went to the clubs and ordered waters. I think I'm gonna.
Yeah, I was kind of proud of you.
It's the first time for I've never done that, and the bartender even pressed me. She's like, "A water for you?" And I was like, "What the fuck's that supposed to
Well,
mean?"
you just give like a
And
drinker look.
And I pulled my keys out. She's like, "Oh, whatever."
You give like a what look?
He gives like a drink. Like if you see a guy like this walk up to the bar, you're not gonna expect him to order water.
Does it look like I drink that much?
Yeah.
No hesitation. Yeah.
You know who looks like drinks even more than you?
The dude next to you.
The guy who actually drinks the most.
The dude who killed 35.
Dude, I couldn't find my sunnies or my hat.
So what are you gonna do today?
I don't know, man. Watch a couple motorcycle riders and shit do motorcycle things. I don't fucking know, dude. Lost my car keys like 3 days ago. I've been stuck here with these idiots.
That's my TikTok filmer for the day right there.
I'm about to hit all the angles like T-Fox. Did I like miss the memo or what? Are we doing shirts off? Fuck it.
We are. I don't know if you can.
I mean, you kind of look hard, dude.
Like sucking in for YouTube.
Here it is.
Are you nervous? I'm so glad I'm not doing this today. If I do a nose manual down it though.
My foreman's gonna be pissed. Yo, not gonna make it in for 3 months. I gotta stop saying shit like that, dude.
Right before you ride.
I'm just doing reverse psychology. I think that shit works, right?
You think this fool's gonna hit the
No
75?
chance. I'll put 50 on it right now. You won't hit it.
Damn, you're about to make 50 bucks today if you do.
Yeah.
That's a quick 50.
Okay. I'll have 50 bucks. Again, drinks on me.
Man, I just came for the pool.
Damn, could you imagine your bike looking this sick?
This kid's fire.
Shane, shut the fuck up.
It's all too much for me. Sometimes I wish I was dead. Wish I was dead. It's all in my head and I can't get it out. I wanna scream but I'm too quiet to shout. And I say it's all too much for me. Sometimes I wish I was dead.
You gonna hit it?
Watch Taylor. I'm just gonna, dude, I'm just gonna be so mad at myself if I don't, bro. No reason why. Don't do it.
Dude, you got this. I'm not gonna say anything negative to you right now because if you die, I don't want these to be the last words. I love you. You're a good dude.
You have it actually.
He's gonna grease
light
this
work.
thing.
I believe
I
in
know.
you,
Let's
man.
see how. I'm just
Hey, I
wondering what the
believe in you, man.
suspension's gonna do.
You could just like jump it to flat like halfway and then like do it after.
Shut the fuck up.
I think Craig's got it.
I really was like saying how I didn't want to do off-road racing because it was hard. But like that looks way scarier, bro. Like
Yeah. I'm like nervous for him.
yeah, I'm nervous for him, but
I have confidence.
After looking at him and getting his mental game on this, I think I'm really confident.
Yeah.
I just got the butterflies right there.
You got that shit, Craig?
I think he needs to follow Taylor up to it and then not
And then-
jump it, pull off, and then get the idea of it.
Tell Craig to follow you, like test it.
Like speed check it. That's a good idea. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, look, he's falling too.
Oh! Oh God. No, Craig. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Can't breathe.
Are you okay? Lay on your back. Oh, it's femur. Just stay still, stay still.
My femur's broken.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't move, Craig.
No, it's fine. You're fine. Just relax. Hey, deep breaths, brother. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
Pass out.
No, you're deep
you're
breaths.
not,
Deep
you're
breaths. Deep breaths.
You're fine, buddy.
Deep breaths.
Just breathe.
Oh fuck.
Don't let keep it. Stay straight. You're good. You're good. Deep breaths, brother. Deep breaths. Relax. Everything's gonna be alright, brother. I promise. Alright?
Got my Yeti.
No, no,
I should
no,
have
no,
fucking done it.
No, you're fine. You're fine, bro.
Fuck. I almost fucking had it, dude. Fuck.
You're the man, brother. You're the man.
Dude, I'm not the fucking man, bro.
Yes, you
fucked
are.
up.
Yeah, you are.
I almost had it.
Don't even worry about the jump, bro.
Yeah, the jump is irrelevant.
Did you take his boots off?
Don't stress. Stay calm. We'll take care of you.
I just shouldn't have fucking done it, dude.
No, you're fine. Don't
Bro,
even think like
it's
that.
not like you backsided it. It was literally
You'll be done with this fucking thing.
and just flipped you.
Jump crash? Yeah, you know his case, like, nose heavy, and it just shot him over. Did a front flip over the bike, landed on his ass like right.
Did he lose consciousness at all?
No, he didn't hit his head.
Fuck! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! I just had to hit it for the first time. Fucking
Love you, Craig.
heavy.
Insane. You've done it.
Same thing, same leg.
I'm going back into retirement for sure after watching that.
What happened? You're all about riding earlier?
Yeah, I was like riding earlier and now I'm like, it's not worth it at all. Stick to golf, bro.
Poor guy.
Yeah, that was heavy. He doesn't deserve that.
No, everybody probably thinks our jokes are a little brutal, but
I mean, we joke around and everything, but on camera and off camera, we'll boy up.
yeah,
He's a good dude. He doesn't deserve that.
fucking guy. He sent it hard.
We wanted him to wait one more, talk to him,
Yeah.
give him the speed. But that's the motocross, dude. That's the downside to the sport, is the lessons you learn are just so brutal.
Yeah,
Like, you don't, it's just, there's no forgiveness in this game.
100%.
Poor Craig. Well,
We'll fucking get
make
some
a
merch
move
tomorrow.
over to we'll drop motorcycles, make a move over to the hospital, and see you on the
And
tripod.
get merch soon.
Yeah, we might have to do a sweet little
Cozy.
dudes merch drop with cozy on it.
The cozy Craig shirt would be hard.
I see something spicy coming out, gang.
Yeah.
Craig's got to fucking pay rent and bills and shit.
Was always down.